going on out there, YouTube? It's SEL0320 representing JVS. So I'm just giving you guys a clip reaction for Swamp Thing Season 1, Episode 1. Basically, it's the scene where it's the morgue scene, essentially. Hopefully, you guys do enjoy it, but make sure you stay tuned after that because I have another part where I'm going to be saying something and you are not going to want to miss it. Hopefully, you guys enjoy it. Hopefully, you appreciate it, especially coming off of the eve of the situation that's going on with Swamp Thing and the DC Universe application today. Okay, so here's that clip right now.
Have you ever seen an autopsy?
Yeah. Saw an alien autopsy once. Pretty sure it's fake, though. How's the girl?
The drug therapy is slowing the beast in the adults, but Susie had gone for 2 days before we got to her, so...
It's not your fault.
I have a bad feeling about this one. Why you putting so much, bro? You used one drop one time and then that screwed you over.
Got a reaction here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. How do y'all not hear that?
Here we go. Come on.
I turned the volume down.
Oh my god! Alex!
Come on. Go!
Alcohol? Yo, what? Smart. Nice.
Clear! She's cold blue. Start the IV.
Never seen no Christmas like that. That was straight. Like, your boy Sam Raimi would be proud of that. That whole scene, just the practical side of that, on top of the VFX, Sam Raimi would be wild. Straight horror.
You alright?
You coming?
Does it involve bourbon?
Actually, yes.
What's going on out there, YouTube? It's SEL0320 representing JVS. So you've checked out that clip. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it because you guys are going to get access to the full entire episode reaction. So the announcement is this. So me and my homeboy Lucas, we're going to be doing discussions on each episode each week. We're going to be kind of pre-recording it and then dropping it on that Friday night or Friday whatever. So you guys can see our full discussion, full interaction with them. We'll make sure we do a premiere so you guys can interact with us. But at the end of this video, you guys are going to be able to see the full entire episode reaction for free. So it's not going to cost you anything. All you got to do is just go straight to the service link in the description bar below. I would put the sub link. I think I will. I'll put the Patreon. I'll put it on Patreon, but I'll make it public so it's free, so you can watch the full entire action either way. But moving forward, episode 2 and on to 10, those are going to be exclusively on Patreon. So if you don't know anything about our Patreon, I have full entire episode reactions, completely uncut, completely unedited, just like this one. And you'll be able to basically watch a whole slew of different shows where I'm going to be putting the same exclusive content just like that. It's $1 a month. Every month you get more updates, and each time you do pledge, you get to actually put your name in the pot and suggest a show or episode you want specifically to react to. But yeah, definitely if you want more information about that, go to the description below. Talk to you guys soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the clip reaction. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the full entire reaction. Hopefully you guys enjoy our discussions on Swamp Thing Season 1 that we're going to be going through. I am praying that they do save Swamp Thing. Thus the hashtag at the top. Talk to you guys later. Keep it locked. JVS, we ain't gonna stop. Peace, guys.